Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how we replace the iPhone battery in a professional way. Have you ever seen so many repair shops in one place? It's amazing. First of all, let's loosen the screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Then we use this ultra thin plate to lift up the screen. Obviously, it's a really tough job. We have to drop some alcohol into the gap in order to soften the waterproof tape inside. Please must be very careful. Please pay high attention to this, because the screen is very easy to get damaged. We have to repeat these steps a few more times. Now we need one more tool. We use this plastic pry to work together. Actually, we need more alcohol. If you want to repair your iPhone, I think the most difficult job is about how to open your iPhone. Wow, we will see the inside very soon. Please pay more patience for 10 seconds. Okay. Aha. Good job. Here is the inside of the iPhone. Now we open the cover for the flash cable. Okay, now we see the connector of the battery flash cable. We disconnect it and we take off the battery. The battery also needs some alcohol. This is much easier than to open the iPhone. Now we are doing the most important step. I don't want to see the notification about a no part for the battery in the iOS system. So I have to remain this battery cable, and I will swap this cable to the new battery. This battery cable looks dirty, so I want to clean it up to make it look very beautiful. I use the machine to polish the connector of the battery. But don't worry, if you don't have this machine, if you don't polish this connector, it's okay. No worries. I just want to make it perfect, so I polish it. You see, it's much better now. But we can use the alcohol to wash it again, so it will look perfect. This flash cable is very important because it has an IC on it. So there's some data of the record of the battery on it. So in this way, we can keep the old data for the new battery. Now it's time to connect again the flex cable to the new battery cell. Now we use the soldering machine to solder the flex cable tightly.
流水堅係咩？流水呢？啱夠啦。
Please make it better for the position of the connector. Now the most important job is almost finished, but I want to cover the flex cable connector better than this. So we usually use a new cover for this part. With this stuff, the battery looks like an original iPhone battery. Okay, perfect. Now we put the battery adhesive on the battery before we put the battery into the iPhone. Please make it flat. Now let's install the battery. This step is very easy. Just connect it. Then we cover the connector with the original metal plate and fasten the screws. Now we use again the alcohol to clean the components of the iPhone. Okay, now let's close the iPhone. Try the two screws at the bottom of the iPhone. After the installation, the first thing is please charge it to see if the battery works well. Okay, it's power on. Finally, please remember to text about the all functions. For example, now we text for the Face ID. Okay, the Face ID works well. And text about the function of the display and other functions, you can check it again. Okay, everything is perfect.